This is 2008 Toyota Camry, and as you can see, there is engine light and VSC light and traction control warning light on. And this one was hard to start it. I jump started, and even though there's no battery warning light on, which indicates the alternator issue, but I suspect the alternator is not charging properly, so I'll show you that. So the battery charging voltage is supposed to more than 14 voltage, but this one only charges 12.3 volts, which is around just for the battery voltage. So what we're gonna do today, replace this alternator, and I'll show you how to do it and see what the. First of all, need to remove the battery terminal. Then there is connector, and there is the power line to the battery. Need to remove it, and we need to also remove the drive belt, and there is a tensioner. We have to loosen the tensioner and take the belt off, then we can easily access to the alternator to remove. This is 10 mil spanner. This one is also 10 mil bolt, and need to remove it. And just in case, push from the bottom. And take it out. If you have small screwdriver, push it in here let it, and it will come out. There is point to push and you will come up, and there is also 10 mil nut. Undo it. It is pretty much free now. To loosen the dry belt, this is 19 mil socket. Put it in here. That is the one. This is the one that is 19 mil socket. Put it on. And push it down, and you can see the belt is loose. Then we can take it off the belt from the pulley. It is off now. Now I'm gonna remove the bolt here and at the bottom that bolt. These are 40 mil, it's okay, gonna fit it. This is off. Alternator is off. This is new alternator with 1A clutch one. 1A clutch has it. This one is just normal alternator, and this one has more the amperage able to make. So it's time to put it back on for the like the new one. It's pretty much same as the old one, even though that is just aftermarket alternator, but that plate is on as well, which is good. So it's time to put the new one in. Take it from the old one and put it on here, and we can put the wiring harness on and put the screw on. Do not tighten as super tighten, because it is really easy to break this one. Put the connector back on. On the alternator, connector is all on, and put this one back on as well. And the last step is put the belt on, and then they put the battery cable, negative cable on. Now, as you can see, the charging voltage is 14.2 volts now, which is normal. So today we did a Camry 2008 2.4 alternator replacement and all done.